Hey there! Is the Themes app on your Samsung phone giving you a headache by constantly crashing? No need to worry. In this guide, I'll walk you through fixing the Themes app crashing issue on your phone. So, let's dive right in and sort this out. Before starting, let's enable Allow Screen Overlays on Settings. Open your phone's settings, then scroll down to the bottom. Next, tap on Developer Options. Scroll down the Developer Options menu. After that, turn on Allow Screen Overlays on Settings. Clearing the cache, let's get rid of the cache that might be causing the issue. Go to your phone settings. Next, scroll down a bit. Then, tap on Apps. Tap on the search bar at the top. Type in Themes. After that, tap on Galaxy Themes. Scroll down the page. Then, tap on Storage. Finally, tap on Clear Cache in the bottom right corner. Solution 2. Force stop the Themes app. Go back to the previous page. Tap on Force Stop in the bottom right corner. Then, confirm the action by tapping OK. Solution 3. Check your storage. Go back to the main settings page. Scroll down to find Device Care. Tap on Device Care. Check your phone's storage status. If you see that your storage is almost full, clear out some space by removing junk files and unwanted items. After this, the problem should be resolved. And that's it. That's how you can fix the Themes app crashing issue on your Samsung phone. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and take care.